at my eyebrows. I need to stop making these faces. Hey y'all, it's Maria Toya. Welcome back or welcome to my channel.
No! God, please, no! No!
If this is your first time here, please subscribe. It helps me a lot. On this channel, we tackle a whole bunch of things, and today we're tackling a full makeup routine. I was gonna film another video today, and I did my makeup, and I was like, I don't like this. I don't like the way my makeup is going. If you haven't seen my get to know me video already, I'll put it up here. But in that video, I talk about some of the things I want to tackle on this channel, and one of the things I mentioned is makeup. And my makeup has been very mediocre. Yeah, my eyebrows have gotten a little better, but the makeup as a whole, it just is not doing it for me. I'll insert a clip of how I looked like with the makeup on. I mean, it probably didn't look that bad, but to me, I just didn't like it.
Okay, looking at it now, it doesn't look that bad. I guess I was just in my head.
So in this video, I decided to follow a top-rated video and just follow her and see what I could do. Another thing with my makeup is that I always like to play it safe. Like, I don't like to put too much foundation, too much concealer, because I'm scared of how it's gonna look. But for this video, we just gonna slap it on because who cares? Once I see like, okay, what looks good, what doesn't, I can kind of see what products to swap and switch and all of that. But throughout this video, I will be using Mary Kay Cosmetics pretty much with everything. So let's get into this video. Let's follow this girl, fingers crossed that the makeup looks decent. Okay, I'm a little scared because y'all know I said I play it safe. But let's go. Okay, bare face, check. But we need a scarf. I feel like the only reason why I've been able to get by without really knowing how to do my makeup is because of lashes. When I put on lashes, it elevates the makeup look because it looks like I know what I'm doing, but I really don't.
The first tip that I would give before you even start your makeup is to make sure that your skin is moisturized.
All right, let me go upstairs and moisturize my face. All right, we're back. I have my moisturizer here. I'll put it up on the screen and I'll have the product descriptions down below as well. Oh yes, my skin is combination. This part of my head is dry, but it's shiny. If you have that type of skin type too, let me know. She said that she does her brows, so we're gonna do the brows.
I'm going to use this brow pencil.
Let's go straight. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, brows are difficult for me. They definitely take some time.
So I'll shave off the bottom and then I'll use this
Okay.
pencil just to
Okay.
fill them in and to create a shape on the part that's already there first. So
Eh?
I'll create a line and then I'll kind of like taper it.
Like, this is thick. This is just me trying to learn makeup. So I'm not afraid to mess up, y'all.
I wish I was both-handed, cause
Look at my eyebrows. Hers does not look like this. But maybe once we use concealer, how did she make it look so easy? Whoa.
I usually will put little dots right underneath and I begin to use that concealer to sculpt underneath.
I need to stop making these faces. All right, so we ran into some problems. This eyebrow, it's just missing the tail. Like, it's just, oh, I look crazy. All right, let's just, I don't know, y'all. They don't even look like sisters though. Like, they look like cousins, friends. A very gross beauty blender. So we'll use this.
Then I'll use this brush or my beauty blender just to blend the color downwards.
Compared to how they was looking before, this is not bad. Oh my goodness.
And what I'm gonna do is just put it on the forehead and on the cheeks and blend it in. One tip, you don't want to massage it into the skin so much like lotion.
Okay, yeah, I don't use primer. I used to use primer, but I was under the impression that primer was for keeping the makeup on for a long time, keeping the makeup on to last, and it's like, I mean, I just film videos. I'm not going anywhere in this, so I don't need to keep this on, but all right. Maybe I need to be putting on primer more. I don't know. Oh, she said don't rub it into the skin, and I rubbed it into the skin.
And I'll put it on my face with my finger in different areas.
All right, y'all, looking at it, maybe it's just me, but I think my foundation might be a little too dark for me. But hopefully later on, concealer can fix that. Maybe, we'll see. I might have to invest in another foundation. Oh my goodness. I look like I got punched in the face.
And you just can use it in a buffing motion. I am also making sure I get this on my eyes
I have not put this much foundation on my face in forever or ever, honestly. I don't think I ever have. I'm slamming so hard, I'm like, be gentle, don't be like me.
Want to elongate it. If you have more of a longer face and you want to kind of scrunch it in a little bit, definitely don't bring it down. You want to bring it more out.
Okay, yeah, I have a longer face, so we're gonna bring it more out. She actually kind of looks like me, don't she?
I also highlight under right at my cupid's bow, on my chin, as well
This is an area I definitely don't highlight.
as my forehead. And then
And I never can get a straight line, but let's see if I can get it now.
just draw the line straight down the nose.
Yeah. You see this straight line?
And I would say blend with tapping motions. You don't want to see the transition from the foundation to the concealer.
Okay, so she mentioned we need powder. I don't have translucent powder or whatever kind of powder she was talking about. I have sheer mineral pressed powder. So that's what we're gonna use.
With the powder, you want to press it into the concealer.
Once I really pick up this makeup series and kind of go one by one, I will get these certain powders that she's talking about, but I really don't have these powders. And looking at this, it really does help her face, but I don't have them today, so we're working with what we got.
Bronzer belongs kind of where you contoured.
We didn't have no bronzer, but we got this. Shout out to Mary Kay. So I'm gonna find something that looks like bronzer and use it as bronzer. I'm a beginner. I don't know nothing about bronzer and powders and stuff. We're gonna use this pretty color I have here.
I'm just gonna dip into this and put it right here in the corner of the eye.
Is it even making a difference, boy?
In circular motions, I'm just gonna go in the corner.
Once I started wearing lashes, the liner would just smudge, right? But this is a video of me practicing my makeup, so I think this is a perfect time for me to do some eyeliner. But yeah, I really don't wear eyeliner when I'm wearing in my videos, for real, for real.
But it's gonna be right there, just at the tip of my lash line, just so I have somewhere to put my lashes. The reason that I put mascara on my lash line, even though I'm about to put on false lashes, is to kind of prep them, and it's easier for them to blend underneath.
I got these lashes from Instabeauty. Shout out to Instabeauty. Use my code TOYO10 to get 10% off your order.
Get a lot of questions about how to apply lashes.
Lashes on, but don't look closely because you'll probably see the separation, but that's okay, okay? If you squint a little, if you scoop back, the lashes are great. Thank you, Instabeauty. I think highlighter is out of style now. I think it's all about brush, but she said use highlighter, so I will use a highlighter. This is the highlighter killer. I don't know why it's not focusing. Whoa, look at it.
And then I'll use my finger to blend it out around it of the blend. Brush to cheekbone. Definitely make sure you blow it before you put it on your face.
Ew, wait. You're not supposed to blow it because then all your germs from your mouth get on here. Well,
I just keep rubbing and smacking on my lips, bruh.
she recommended a setting spray. I'm using Mary Kay setting spray, of course. I'm scared of lipstick, y'all. I'm scared of lipstick. I'm barely comfortable with lip gloss, and I don't even own lipsticks. I'm taking this off, y'all, like right after. I'm not gonna spray, but we gonna act like I sprayed. True. Okay. She said we're done. Okay. So to glamorize this look a little bit, I'll take off the wig. Ooh, it went back. I'm comfortable doing this in front of y'all because y'all have seen me in my wig cap before. This is nothing new. All right, y'all, this is the final product. I use pretty much all Mary Kay products. I tried to follow her routine, and I gotta say, I like this. I've been very scared of makeup. I've been terrified of putting on too much concealer and foundation and all this stuff. But I like this makeup look, and I definitely think there's things I could implement, like what she did with her eyebrows, what she did with putting just concealer up here, because I used to drag it down, and then actually not being afraid of foundation and just putting it on. Definitely for another video, I'm going to invest in bronzers and powders so I can really get that chiseled look that she had. I'll put the video that I was referring to in the link down below, and all the products that I was using as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all. Bye.